That's a shame. The truck sitting in a house is going to push it over.
Power line's popping right behind us.
Watch out. Power line.
I don't like this one. We should get the one on that.
I went to my house down the back.
That truck stopped and came on house.
I told you it was.
Yeah, our house is gone though. The back of our house is paid off.
My house is stopped by some tree for now. I don't know.
Still in the same spot. But the back of it's gone.
I don't know what that is right there holding my house. Oh, that's Danny's porch. And there goes the playhouse.
Into the water.
This is crazy. How high? Just imagine how high. Somehow we're in here, but you can just see how high it is. That's unbelievable. Just the amount of power that is going through this thing right now. It's just insane. And you see there's just tons of people that are just whole line up there. Oh, there's the house. There's another one. There's another one that just went down. That whole thing. Oh, the stairs are gone. The stairs are going from there. Oh my God.